Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tech. In my channel I'm gonna talk about technology, phones, reviews, computers, apps and video editing and more. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video to support me. Games. It's the most important thing that many mobile phone users care about. So in this video we will see a gaming test of Realme 8 Pro and I will test first, opening time. Secondly, the maximum setting that the game is running on. Thirdly, the phone performance and battery consumption. Like this video and let's go. I remind you that the phone comes with a Snapdragon 720G processor with 8GB of RAM. So our first game today is the League of Legends. It's a good game and it's a heavy game. Let's see my experience. The phone took 23 seconds to open the game. As for the graphics settings, the phone runs the game at 60 frames per second as maximum and in ultra quality, but this will affect the performance of the phone and the consumption of the battery, and there will be a drop frame. So during the experiment I put the settings in the performance option, which gives you the highest frame rate. I played for 15 minutes. The battery was 100% and down to 99%. During the game the performance of the phone was stable. For the second game it was Asphalt 9. The phone took 16 seconds to open the game. The phone also runs the game on the highest settings. I played as well for 15 minutes. The battery percentage was 99% and it went down to 96%. Which means 3 of consumption. The same things here, as well was stable performance and acceptable temperature. For the third game, it was PS 2021. It's a very heavy game and uses a lot of phone resources. The phone took 21 seconds to open the game. The phone also runs the game on the highest settings and gives you a frame rate of 60 frames per second. But I played on the standard mode to get the best experience and the best performance. I played 50 minutes. The battery was 96% and down to 91%, which means 5% of consumption. Here too, the performance was good, but the temperature rose a little. The fourth game, it was Call of Duty. It's the second most popular game among players. The phone took 27 seconds to open the game. When you put the graphics quality on very high, you get very high on the frame rate. And when you put the graphics quality on high, you get maximum frame rate. I played 15 minutes. The battery was 90% and down to 86%. The temperature was acceptable and the performance was good.
Heads up, enemy UAV spotted. Be advised, hostile predators inbound. Targets in sight.
Now we get the most popular game, PUBG Mobile, and many people care about the performance of the phone on it. The phone took 30 seconds to open the game. The phone runs the game on HD on graphics with high on the frame rate, which gives you 30 frames per second. And when you put the graphics on smooth, you get ultra frame rate, which gives you 40 frames per second. I played 15 minutes. The battery was 85% and down to 82%, which means 3% of consumption. The experience was good and without a drop frame. Finally, as a conclusion of this video, I rate this phone in the medium class because it provides an average experience in games, especially in PUBG Mobile, and they are phones of the same category that offer much better experience in game and better performance, like Poco X3 Pro. As for the battery consumption, it's good. Within an hour and quarter of playing, the phone consumed 18% of battery, which is good. That's all for this video. I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and goodbye.